it's Ronnie and welcome to my channel and to a scrapbooking process video. This is one of the ones that I made at the Redefined Creative Winter Layout Palooza, I think it's called. I think that's what it's called. So Christina sent us all the stuff and you can make quite a few layouts with it. And she shows us step by step what to do. But of course we all probably added something else different to go with it. But I am starting out the same. And the only thing I actually did was tear that paper off the bottom and back the cut file. And it's all one color. That was probably a decision to make the class go faster because it'd take all day to do that in several colors. At least it would be me. It would take all day. I'm going to cut out 2 of these tags and the one with the word things on it in the circle. I'm going to cut the circle out and then the tag is going to tuck under so you can't tell that most of it's missing. Yeah, that's a good save on that tag because now the one with the things, it's an embellishment. I've been putting my trash in the bowl pretty good. Yeah, I don't remember if I stayed good or not, but I started out good anyway. I'm going to cut, I think it's just one journaling piece off to go on the layout from this sheet here. She really conserved a lot of stuff and is stretching this to a lot of layouts. So that is going to be an embellishment. And oh yeah, while I'm thinking of it, I'm going to apologize. The last little bit of this video, the only thing I can think of, I went to take a picture. I went to print a picture to go on the layout because the title is right there on the left-hand side beside my hand, and it's Shine Bright. And so I was thinking about that throughout the layout and decided I wanted to get this picture of Kyler on his first day of school. And he had his lanyard on with the badge for school. And I thought that would be a good one to go with this layout. So I printed it, matted it, all that stuff. And I'm thinking the phone must have rang or something. Anyway, when I came back, I think what I did was turn off the camera instead of turning it back on because I have nothing right there at the end. But I did take a good close-up of it so I can explain it at the end of the video because it is a cluster over on the left-hand side. And yeah, it's nothing to do with, everything's from my stash. And y'all know I like to cluster and put several things together. So yeah, there's more than one thing in that little cluster. But I'm nestling the Shine Bright in the pages of the book on the right-hand side. And I think that's the last thing I do before I go get my picture. I'm thinking. I might do something else, but I'm thinking that was it. But oh yeah, I'm wrong. I remembered I had a light bulb that I thought would go with the Shine Bright really good. So I got it, and while I was getting it, I seen this scrap of chicken wire. It was only a little piece. And I thought, well, I'm going to tuck that behind the tags and add another layer there. But there's my picture. And I guess I matted it off screen. I might have done that too. I don't know. It's been a while, maybe a few weeks. But I'm going to put stars. Well, if you look at the picture, there's a wall there right next to him. It's all nice and white and blank. And just screaming for something to be put there. So I'm going to put star student there. And I didn't have an E cut out. And I didn't want to bring the die out and cut it out, so I made it out of an F. But that place on the left-hand side just really looked like it needed something. All of it's kind of bare compared to everything on the right side. So I figured since I put star student, that I could go ahead and put some stars there. And then I'm going to add my cluster, which of course the camera wasn't on for. But you can see it a little bit there. However, I am going to do a close-up. And there's my light bulb for the Shine Bright. I had a hard time deciding if I wanted it to sit that way or turn over the other way, and then I decided I wanted the biggest part down there at the bottom. But I did get the back to school from the Echo Park school days or something, I think it was. And the gears are from Tim Holtz uh, Physics gear collection. It's like 23 or 28. It's one of the other pieces in there, so there's a lot of gears to choose from. And then the atomic symbols is from Tim Holtz. And then if you see that bottle up there, I used green vellum, and then I punched out some uh, messy looking stuff, that color block that looks like blotches of paint. Anyway, I figured if it was different colors that it'd look better, so I punched them out of there. And I used a little phrase sticker. It says daily agenda, I believe it is. And that's it. That's my cluster. And I did put stitches in 3 places on the layout too. But if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. But have a happy, scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.